Hey, what's up everyone, it's Rafael, and today I'm working on a 820 something. What's this? What year is this?
I think it's a 2011.
2011. It's a 820-2915. My friend asked me to replace the VRAMs here. The computer turns on and shows what? Gray? Gray screen, whatever that means. I don't typically work on Macs, but since he bought the memory, I have no issues replacing it, so let's jump right into it. So first I'm gonna actually go probably one by one. I'm gonna go this one, this one, this one, this one, and then well, because maybe it's just one of them that's broken, so I'm just gonna replace one for now, or maybe all. I'll see how it goes. But the battery's unplugged and I'm gonna leave everything here. The only thing I will actually do is cover this plastic piece. I definitely do not want to burn that. And I'm going to use a duct tape here. That should do it. It is heat resistant to a certain degree. So I don't really feel like removing this from the housing. No, actually first I'm gonna remove this glue around it. So let's fire up the hot air station. I'm gonna run it at about 150 C, but each hot air station is different, so you just have to try it out. Of course, somebody calls me while working. I don't do this too often on the Macs. Scrap out. Remember the orientation. I'm going to put some Amtech flux, make it a little bit easier to desolder. Crank this crapper hot air station to max. 2 dense. Okay.
Bridging on the balls.
So, more flux. Let it solder. It's usually best to clean the pads right after removing the chip because the board is still hot, and it's easier to like just clean off that lead-free solder from the board. All right. We're good here. See if there's going to be any improvement. Again, putting some flux. And now I need to align this. But the basic idea is that I'm trying to see the balls from the bottom, and I should also be able to see the pads. But the idea is to just align those balls with the pads. And usually when you align that first line, it's good enough to have the rest aligned. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Alright, so I just replaced this one, and I'm gonna fire it up. Let's see if it's going to work.
There's some liquid damage on here.
There's Forrest right damage here. So before before actually I didn't record that, but when I turned on the computer without that one memory stick, the screen was pink, which was kind of interesting. Okay, so we have this person's password, so let's put it in.
Put it in.
And the issue was, once the system was loading, at the very end of that bar, the computer would just turn gray and not really do anything, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if the OS loads, we're gonna be golden.
Even on recovery, it was doing that.
Even recovery. Okay, so Forrest here, he actually installed a few hard drives just to make sure it's not the board itself. I think he might
No,
have
I want to make sure it wasn't the hard drive or the RAM.
yeah, or the RAM. And then, you know,
We checked all peripherals. It has to be the board.
he went through the easy stuff.
I diagnosed the VRAM.
And yeah, he diagnosed, got the correct VRAM, and maybe it's gonna be fixed on the first try. That would be awesome if this will work on the first try. Because then we have to go through 1, 2, 3, 3 more. It actually loaded. Forrest, it loaded.
Boom. Moneyville.
Money in the bank. All
So
right.
now we gotta do burn-in on it, make sure it doesn't screw up.
Okay, so we're gonna run some kind of
Burn-in.
benchmark or whatever.
We're gonna run 24 hours of Thomas the Tank Engine.
That's gonna rape it hard. Huh? And then,
Then
yeah,
we'll see.
if this works, I'll upload the video. If not,
Fuck it.
I'll still upload it. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll catch you later in the next video. Peace.
Fuck bitches, get money.
Oh, actually,
If you want to watch us jerk it some more.
let's focus. All right, yeah. At the end here, this is Forrest.
Who's that?
Well, Forrest. He's the owner of the building.
No, not me. Look behind me.
Oh, there's some chick. Actually, I'm talking about that. Donald Trump.
Damn it.
Always the phone ringing
Back
in the
off.
round spot. Here's
Hello.
Toby right there.
I'm on hold. I think Matt probably on hold.
Alright, so here's a Forrest. He's the owner of the building, and he fixes the computers, and I just do the iPhones. And we also have a separate channel. It's called Tech Edge. Link in the video description. We talk about technology. Go check it out. Yep.
Make America great again.
See ya.